Hello everyone, my name is Rishad Khan, and I'm a medical student at Western University in London, Canada. On behalf of my co-authors, I'm excited to discuss our article entitled Virtual Reality Simulation Training in Endoscopy, a Cochrane Review and Meta-Analysis. We recently published this article in Endoscopy as an abridged version of a full-length Cochrane Review. Our research group is led by Dr. Catherine Walsh and Dr. Samir Grover, both at the University of Toronto, and we are primarily focused on endoscopy education and simulation-based training in particular. We conducted a systematic review to synthesize the evidence comparing endoscopic training using virtual reality simulators with no training, with conventional patient-based training, and with other forms of simulation-based training. Virtual reality simulators are computer-based simulators that present learners with situations resembling a real endoscopic procedure and often require users to manipulate a physical endoscope to navigate a virtual lumen that's displayed on a screen. In our study, we systematically searched for randomized trials which compared such interventions and performed meta-analyses where appropriate. As seen in this flow diagram, our search identified 1,053 potentially relevant records since our previous Cochrane review in 2012. After excluding duplicates, we screened 623 records. We excluded 584 at the abstract stage and 35 after full text review for various reasons. After including 13 studies from the previous version of this Cochrane review, we had a total of 18 randomized trials encompassing 3,817 endoscopic procedures for inclusion in this study. Our main outcomes were competence in performing the endoscopic procedure under study and also indirect markers of a high-quality procedure, such as procedure completion rate, completion time, and mucosal visualization. We only included trials measuring outcomes on humans in the clinical setting. What we found is that virtual reality simulation-based training is advantageous over no training, and that it can play an important role in providing training prior to first patient contact. Learning during simulation-based training transfers to patient care, suggesting that this modality can effectively supplement traditional patient-based training. As depicted in this forest plot, we can see the advantage of VR simulation-based training over no training. The next steps in this area of research will be to conduct high-quality studies to further delineate and explore the instructional design and educational features of simulation-based training that lead to improved educational and clinical outcomes, and also to compare virtual reality simulation-based training with other lower-cost simulation approaches. We would like to thank the editors and reviewers for their helpful comments, and Endoscopy for giving us the opportunity to present our findings here today. Thank you.